time for Loot Crate, as everybody knows. This time, I kept myself from watching everybody else's Loot Crate unboxings, just so I could be a little bit more hyped than I was last month. Seeing how last month was my first Loot Crate, wasn't too happy with it. There was some cool stuff, there was some bad stuff, but this one, I haven't watched anybody, so I'm hoping it's good. So let's open this bad boy up and see what I got. Let's hope for some good stuff. Alrighty. Ah, cool. Background's like a Futurama style. That's cool. Alright, since this one's sticking out the most, let's go ahead and check this one out. Oh, now that is cool. I'm gonna open this up because you can't really, like, the pops, you can see it. This is just a picture of it. I don't want to just display it as a picture. I'm gonna keep the box because it's Futurama, but I'm gonna display it outside of the box because that thing is cool. Okay, now I'm a little happier with Loot Crate. That is cool. Oh, I don't want to drop it or break it. Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, they got it taped. I feel like a dumbass. Bring out the knife again. Why would they, well, yeah, I can see why they would tape it, to keep it so it doesn't fall apart. But that is cool. It's the Planet Express ship. That's cool. And it comes with its own little stand. This is Planet Express on it. And then on the back end, which I don't get why they would have that on the back or on the very bottom. Nobody's gonna see this part. It sits like that. So let's put her together real fast. I'm assuming it goes this way. There we go. Oh, it's magnetized. Cool. I guess I'll put it here. That's actually pretty cool. I like that. Alright, let's go with the t-shirt. Ooh, it's blue. Back's got nothing. I wish it did. But I'm not really sure what this is supposed to be. I don't know. It's different. Oh, it's Rick and Morty. Okay, cool. Interesting. Different, but yeah, that is cool. Alright, what else we got? Oh, cool. Mega Man Mini. He'll be coming out of the box too because I don't collect these in box. Only the pops. Pops I collect in box. And I guess I have to break it open. Oh, it's a mystery one. That's cool. So I guess there's different ones that you can get through this series. That's cool. Mega Man's blue on this side and red on that side. Probably gonna keep the box, so I'm gonna try to. There we go. Didn't destroy it too bad. Which one am I gonna get? Yeah, cool. The red or the red one. Apparently there's one of 20 of these. If I'm reading this thing right, it says one of 20. So that's cool. It'll probably be the only one I get, seeing how I don't have any other guys, but he'll go up here by my little Fallout dude. Nothing else cool in the box or in the plastic. Okay, so that's going trash. Star Trek Next Generation. I wonder what's in here. Wasn't really a Star Trek fan, but the movies are good. But the series, like the old school series, put me to sleep. So I wasn't too fond of the series. Oh wow. This is like a heavy duty sticker. It's a little shiny there. USS Enterprise? Yeah, USS Enterprise. I guess it's like a plaque of some sort for like the series or something. Wish it wasn't so shiny, cause I don't know if y'all can see that good enough. But yeah, that meh. He'll go back in the plastic, or back in the thing that it came in. Oh wow, comic book. I didn't know what this was from. I still don't know. So this is just gonna stay in the plastic. I'm not gonna open it up and read it. But it's cool. It says number 1. So it's the first edition of this book or comic, my bad. I don't know. I think I need to look into this and see what all this is about. Maybe I'll start getting interested in it. I don't know. He looks pretty cool. He's got a freaking samurai sword or katana, whatever you want to call it. That's pretty cool. Let's see what the pin is. Ah, that is cool. Now that I like. Live long and prosper. I think that's what he says. Live long and prosper. Oh, Star Trek Online. Huh. This pen unlocks something epic. I wonder if my friend gets Loot Crate. I need to get a hold of him, because he is a Star Trek fan, so he probably would love this stuff. Oh, cool. So the box turns around and makes another design like the Fallout one did. That's pretty cool. I guess Loot Crate does that all the time, I guess. I'm not. This is my second box. So if anybody knows, let me know in the description, in the comments, and let me know whichever or whatever ones they have done that have been cool. Like this one, it's not bad for Futurama wise, or for the future, because I don't think it's 100% just Futurama, because it says for the future. So it's a futuristic style one. Got the t-shirt. You can do the puzzle or the find the exit. That's pretty cool. Oh, okay. Here we go. Y'all could probably see that better since it's not so blurry. But that's what the big old sticker was that was blurry. But yeah. Then they got the pin down here. Yeah. Oh, this one says loot long and prosper. But yeah. Okay, so the pin. Oh wow. I don't play the Star Trek Online, so it's not gonna do me any good, but I'll still keep it. They give you a little color. You can color the guys. That's pretty cool. What? Did they know? Like, did they purposely know that I was gonna get that one? Like, that's pretty funny. That's the that's the guy that I got. Like, did they know I was gonna get him or something? Was that like a hint? That's pretty crazy. Nothing else too cool. Oh wow, the mega crate came with the Hypnotoad. That would have been cool, but I don't get the mega crate. What? It would have came with a drone too. Wow, I wish I could get mega crates. That drone and the Hypno and the, I guess that's a poster? No, it's an art book. Hand cover art book of Mega Man. Man, that would have been cool. Oh, one lucky winner gets the mega crate worth, or a value of $2,000. Ah, so you can't get the mega crate, you have to win it. Huh? Have to figure out how to sign up. Or maybe I'm already signed up since I get Loot Crate. I don't know. But yeah, that looks like it's gonna be all for July. I would say the Mega Man little dude, meh. The Futurama Planet Express little ship, that was cool. The t-shirt, it's interesting. I'd say this box or Loot Crate, meh. Better than the last one, meh. Except for that freaking the t-shirt. That t-shirt last month was pretty epic. I've been wearing that one. But yeah, alright, so if y'all want to sign up for Loot Crate, I'll leave the description to where y'all can save $5 off your first Loot Crate order. I'll leave that in the description. And until next time, y'all take it easy.